Alright guys, this video we're gonna be talking about this app. It's called CapCut. You can do so much with this app. You can edit your videos and pictures for your TikTok account or your Instagram account. So this is very simple guys. You're gonna have to search for this app. It's called CapCut. So you search for it, you download it, and then you open the app. It's very simple. So the first step you're gonna have to do is click on new project, and you're gonna have to choose the file, the picture or the video you wanna edit. So I'm gonna choose one of these videos, and right here this is the video I'm gonna edit. So you can do so much with this app. First we're gonna add an audio to this app. So if the video doesn't have an audio, or maybe it has an audio but you just want to upload a sound or something else, so you can just go to sounds and you can select from the categories. As you can see right here, you can select from pop or beats or R&B and get one of the sounds and upload to your video. So you can see right here, you can download one of these. You can download one of these and upload to your video. It's very simple. You can add effects. You can do so much to your video, for your Instagram, your TikTok account. This is another sound. So I'm gonna add this and I'm gonna play it. At the background you can hear the sound at the background. So it's very simple guys. That's if you wanna add sound to your video. It's very simple. So and you can also delete the sound if you don't want it. You can delete it right here. Just delete it. So what else you can do is you can add your voice. Like you can add you can see something, or maybe you want to sing, I don't know, maybe a song or something. You can add that. Click on voiceover and just hold to record your voice. So next thing we're gonna be looking at is you can add text to your video. Let's just say I want to add something like this. You can move the text around and just leave it where you wanna put it. So leave it right there, and you can leave it right there. And as you can see, you can extend the seconds of the text. You want the text to show on the screen of the video. You can extend it, and you can also reduce the seconds or the minutes. So, and the next thing you can also do with this app, is also add effects, different kind of effects, video effects. Let's see. You can add something like, let's say we want to add something like this, color edge. As you can see right here, I just added an effect to this video. It's very simple guys. You can do so much with this app. I'll add something else. I'll add this. So you're gonna wait for it to download to load. As you can see, this is a different effect for the video. So you can just do so much with this app. And also, let's say something else. Let's adjust. You can adjust the brightness. You can do so much to your video and your picture for this. So let's make an example from a picture. Let's say I want to edit this picture. So let's say, so we can also add audio to a picture. You can add sounds, different kind of sounds. You can just select from the list of sounds. You see, you're gonna have to download and select. So you can select, you can add effects. You can add effects. Let's say I just added a sound to the picture. As you can see, you can hear the sound at the background. you can see. And at the end of the picture or the video, see, what the coolest part is you can also write whatever you want. You can write the name of your I don't know, your username for your Instagram or your TikTok account. You can write it. So this is very simple, guys. So the next part is if you want to save your video or your picture that you just edited, you can just click on this button and it's already saved, and you can share it on your TikTok, on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and wherever else you want to share it. So it's very simple, guys. You can do so much with this app. Edit your videos for your TikTok, your Instagram, and make cool videos. So thanks for watching. Subscribe and like my channel. So